Hey guys, welcome back to Scratch Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you the Operators tab. So this is the Operators tab. It's uh, it's the only tab that only has uh, that doesn't have the like normal rectangular blocks, not counting my blocks or or the variables ones because those can have blocks. Those can have rectangles. This one can't. Right. Let's start up here. I'm going to make a variable real quick. Uh, Size times. Uh, okay, I don't know what to put in here. Direction. Yay. So let's start with the first four, the operators. Uh, Let me just. Okay. Yeah, I should probably change the direction. It's already 48. Ta-da! So, these are the four basic operators. Uh, There's plus, minus, times, and divided by. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. And 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. Ta-da! There's nothing special about these, but they are very useful. The rest one is pick random. Okay, you can pick random something to something. It will be random. Then there are set boolean blocks after that. These, these three and the conditions. These three are for like is size times direction bigger than 300? True, because it is. Is size times direction smaller than 300? False, because it's false. Is size times direction equal to 300? False again. Basically, that's it. And now the conditions. Is 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 the is the basketball touching the mouse pointer and size times direction equals 300? False. Uh, now, uh, now False. Still false because it's not. But when both are true, it will say it will be true. And there's or. Is it either touching the mouse pointer or size times direction equal is bigger than 300? No, it's not really either. It's like, hey, if one is true, then both, then I'll say it's true. If both are true, I'll say it's true. But if both are false, then I'll say it's false. So that's true because size times direction is bigger than 300, even if it's not touching the mouse pointer. And then there's not, which is it not touching the mouse pointer? True. Uh, this one confuses people because I think it's like they are confused about oh the this is if only one is false, then both then this will say it's false, which is true, but it's the people get wrapped up in the logistics, so just do it like the parentheses in math. Do the inner things first and then the outside things. If this inner one is true, then it will switch it to false. If the inner one is false, then it will switch it to true. That's how it works. Okay. Then there are the wordplay things. Join apple and banana. Apple banana. Join uh, I like potatoes. I like potatoes. If you're using this for like, if you're using this, remember to pass space a bit in one of the things. If you don't pass space there, as well do. I like potatoes. And there's letter one of apple, which is A. Letter one of banana, B. Letter one of tree, which isn't a letter but character one. Letter one of that, exclamation mark, which again isn't a letter. Length of apple, which is 5. Length 13. And the apple contains a true. Your mom contains a false. True. And then there are these which I'm going to do research and then come back. Okay, I did my research. I know to you guys it looks like nothing that happened, but it did. And what mod is the remainder. So if I do, for example, 10 divided by 4, the, then the remain then I can fit 4 into 10 two times, and then there's 2 left over because there are 2 there's 2 that didn't fit into 10. So if I do 10 mod 4, the remainder is 2. And then there's round, which just rounds the number to the nearest whole number. And finally there's blah of blah. Abso of blah, the absolute number, like if I do abs of negative 143, 143, abs of 185, 185, things like that. And then all the other ones are like really hard to explain, but some of them I can. Example, skirt is the square root. Like the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. And then there's this, which is like this and then like 1 and this amount of zeros behind it, and then this, which I have no idea what it does. It's e to the power of whatever number. Infinity. And then the next ones I can't explain because I'm dumb and don't know trigonometry. Bye.